Hello friend, welcome to Rahul Corporate Services. Today I will discuss about the one person company registration, what the one person company is, what its requirements, advantage of one person company registration and disadvantage of one person company registration and the documents required. Everything I will discuss with you. First of all, what is the one person company? Before understanding one person company, let us discuss about the proprietorship. In India, the concept of proprietorship business is still in operations, but the proprietorship registration is not a corporate level registration, and when you operate a proprietorship business, then it's not a separate legal status. So there are lots of problem with proprietorship business. Now the new concept came as known as one person company. So if any person who want to run a business by single person, means alone, and want a corporate registration, then the best option is available, that is the one person company registration. So if anybody wants to start a proprietorship business but they want it as a corporate level registration, then they must go for one person company registration. As per Companies Act 2013, Section 2 subsection 62 defines the one person company incorporated by a single person. So the Companies Act 2013 provides a opportunity, a format to operate by a single person. Now, one person company can be registered from the Ministry of Corporate Affairs and it will be managed by a single person. So, single owned business, it can be known as single owned business as one person company. Now, what the advantage of having the one person company registration? First of all, it has a separate legal status. Now the second point is easy to receive the funds, lesser compliance in comparison to private limited company, and perpetual succession and easy to manage. Now it has certain disadvantages as well. It's suitable for a small business. Not all business allowed in this one person company, and ownership and management problem. In one person company, it requires a minimum share capital of 1 lakh. Now point comes, who can register a one person company? Any natural person who is a Indian citizen and resident in India can operate and register one person company. Now question arises, how many one person company can be registered by a single member? Only one OPC can be registered by a single member. Now question, what is the tax slab on one person company? Simple, as per a private limited company, the tax rate as applicable in case of private limited company, the same rate will be for one person company. Now point comes here, under one person company, what are the compliance to be followed on yearly basis? There are certain compliances which required to be fulfilled by the one person company. Now for example, statutory auditor appointment, board meeting, one board meeting in half calendar. It means yearly basis, and there will be a two board meeting, and the difference between the two board meeting should not be less than the 90 days. And preparation of financial statements and maintenance of statutory books of accounts, filing of business income tax returns, and filing of financial statements and annual return to the ROC. These are the compliances which need to be fulfilled by the one person company. Now question, what are the documents required for registration of one person company? Simple, a single director and a single member is required. Director and the member can be the same person. A nominee is required. The documents required for the single person as Aadhaar card, PAN card, passport size photograph, mail ID, mobile number, and voter ID or driving license or passport, any one document of these, and bank statement. Company name, business activities, what will be the business, and the latest electricity bill, rent agreement, and NOC for office address. These are the details which required and documents required for registration of one person company. Now, after having the registration of one person company, the question arises, do they open the current account or semi account in any bank? They can open a current bank account with any bank, maybe private or public or government undertaking bank. So any person who want to start a small business but they want a corporate level registration, they have the preferences to register a one person company rather than to go for with proprietorship business. So in the simple words, we can say that one person company is a better format in comparison to proprietorship business. But in both cases, both are the single owned and managed company. In case of proprietorship, only single person is required, and in case of one person company also only a single member is required. So hope you have understood all the formalities, documents required for one person company. If you have any query, you can drop the mail, you can connect me on my WhatsApp, or if you have any suggestions, you can send the suggestions. Suggestions are most welcome. And one more thing, if you have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe my channel so that you can get the latest updates. Thank you so much.